This is STA 381, Chapter 6, Section 5, Time Sequence Plots. All right, so welcome back. So we've been working through different types of numerical summaries and graphical summaries, and notice from last time this was the mantra that we put up there, plot your data. This is going to apply to this section too, so I thought I'd keep it up here for us. Okay, so let's take a closer look. Time sequence plot is just also called a time series plot, and it shows the data values or statistics on the vertical axis with time on the horizontal axis. And so a time series plot can reveal trends and cycles or other time-oriented behavior that you can't just see by looking at your data. Highly informational, especially in quality control, in basically looking to see if some sort of process is getting out of bounds. You can look at it over time, you can subdivide your time, and that way you can take a look and see if something's going on with your process. And there's quality control charts that do a lot more detail than this, but it's all based on this idea of a time series plot. So taking a look just at this set of data, company sales by year, and then company sales by quarter. So we're looking at the years from 1982 to 1991, and we do see that there does seem to be some sort of increasing trend. Now, if we're talking about sales, that's a good thing, but we do notice that there are some dips from time to time. So that's something that a time series plot can reveal to you that you wouldn't necessarily see with, say, a histogram or something like that. So then we say, okay, well, let's see what's going on a little bit more at some of these dips. And so we take a look at the 4 quarters and we say, okay, sales increase from the first to second quarter, but look at what happens down there in the 4th quarter. Yeah, you know, if you're, depending on what you're trying to sell here, it could be, you know, for many things, Christmas season, if it's not something related to the retail industry, then it could be that we just take a nosedive in the 4th quarter all the time because, say, nobody wants to buy office furniture, if that's what your sales are, in the 4th quarter. But it does reveal that there's also a serious downward trend in the 3rd quarter as well. So it could be that, you know, more people are taking vacations during that time, or, you know, you can start to investigate what are the reasons behind this dip going from the 2nd to the 3rd to the 4th quarter. Is it because of the seasons? Is it because of the sales force? Is it because of something else that's going on? And so that's what that time series plot can help us see. All right, so that's a really quick way of looking at time series data. It's a very simple way, but again, plot your data. That's our mantra. And that's the conclusion of the lecture.